guys, I'm back with my second Mongoose, and after I had one sent out from the company to review on my channel, I went ahead and did subscribe myself. So I got my second one. It looks like they were going to send it to somebody else, and then they ended up sending it to me, so that's good. I'm glad that my box is coming. So this one should be customized for me as far as what my style profile when I sent it out or I signed up should be. So I'm interested to see what I got. I'm curious if I'm going to get any of the same things that I got in my last one. As always, packaged really cute. I shouldn't say always since this is my second one, but it's wrapped up in fun little packaging. So I did get the same ring that I got in my last one. It's really raining out here today, and I don't have all of those lights, so it's very dreary, and I'm not really giving you guys the best possible showing of this. So the next item is, okay, it's a cute little one rose. Boy, look at all those shadows. Single rose on a necklace. So that will be adorable with some things. Second item, this looks like maybe a bracelet because it doesn't look quite long enough on this packaging to be a necklace, but you never know. And I'm wrong because it is a necklace. So it's gold, the nice blue stone on it, and I do like that. And then last but not least, this is the one that I had received in the viewing I had showed you guys last time. So it's all kind of something you already have seen if you watched my last one, if I can get in there. So I'll probably go ahead and gift this to somebody special. And it's that half moon fan kind of shaped necklace with their cute little monogram on the back of it. And I do love this. I've worn this quite a few times already, so I love this one. So mintMongoose, $12.95 or $12 a box, plus shipping and handling. It'll come the 15th on every month. If you go ahead and sign up, they ship one out to you right away. They do have a couple different boxes you can choose from. I believe there's the box that I got, the black box, and I think one up from it, which you just get a little bit extra in each of those boxes. So I think that's it for today. I'm excited. I think I signed up for 6 months, so if you sign up for a few extra boxes, you get a little bit cheaper of a rate. And if you do want to sign up, use the code Lisa in checkout, and you'll get your first box for $10 and free shipping. So hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye.